What's up, you beautiful people? Bringing you this swivel mount by GoPro. Got ourselves a new mount from GoPro. Came out with the Hero 8 Blacks. Easily adjust your GoPro on the fly. Includes swivel mount, thumb screw. Compatible with Hero 8 cameras. Let's take a look at this and see what we exactly get. I like the design that they have with that, where they stick the little things all the way in there. And easily rips, but that's fine. This is the first screw mount, and here is our swivel. So I've heard stories where the swivel can be a little tad bit reactive with braking and stuff like that, but swivel thumb screw, okay. So if we put that in there, let's see how well we can thumb screw on, and let's see if we can engage the swivelness. There we go. So this thing will be mounted somewhere, like in my hand for now, and then you can just swivel it through. So as you can see, the ratio on this thing, not entirely the best, but let me take something here. And we can plug it into here and see how that works out for us. And just do a quick test on mounting it somewhere. Okay. Let's get that a little tight with the thumb screw. And then, so yeah, there we go. It is swiveling. Takes a little pressure, but this should be kind of mounted a bit slightly better, and it works. So I have the suction cup too, and I use it in the front of my car on the windshield. So that'll be really good to use this thing in there as well. So I can take multiple directional angles with that suction mount cup. Anyways, guys, that was the swivel mount for the GoPro, demonstrated on the GoPro Hero 8. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day.